Tina here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm so excited. I've been invited to share with you the Pink & Main's Crafty Courtyard kit for December 2019. This is a monthly card kit subscription from Pink & Main, and it is jam-packed filled with lots of goodies. This month's kit is called Winter Wonderland, and it's the December 2019 card kit for Pink & Main. And I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. But for this video, we are going to take a look at everything in this kit, including this little cover sheet. On the back, it tells you what the kit includes, and then also shares the color palette of your kit. Your Pink & Main kit will arrive in this pretty pink box, wrapped up like a little present. Super exciting. We are going to start off by taking a look at the cardstock. You get 7 sheets of cardstock in this month's kit. You get 2 sheets of the 110-pound ice rink cardstock sheets, and these are all 8.5 by 11. You get 5 colored sheets of cardstock. These teal one here has some texture and also has some shimmer to it, and so is this gray one here. It has texture and shimmer, and these are from Basil. So they're super nice. Basil always has great cardstock. You get some purple cardstock with a little bit of texture. You get a lighter purple, and then you also get a pink. So isn't that a pretty color palette? Loving it. Okay, you get 2 half sheets of the sparkle sheets. So pretty. They're very heavy duty. You have a lakeside is the blue, and then night sky is the gray there. Great for die cutting. Now, if you're new to the Pink & Main's Crafty Courtyard kit, Pink & Main always sends out your kit with a vinyl bag here. It's a little bit larger than 8.5 by 11, so you can store your cardstock sheets in here, but it's great for storage, guys. When you are finished with your project, or if you want to even take it on the go, you have your little vinyl bag that fills up beautifully with all your kit contents. This month's kit also comes with an exclusive stamp set. It's a 6x6 stamp set, and it's called Snowflake Frame, and it does fit a card front beautifully. And then you get 5 sentiments: warm winter wishes, your kindness warms my heart, snow unlike you, love you snow much. So cute. And then there's extra little snowflakes in there too. This is your 6x6 paper pad this month. You get 24 sheets of pattern paper, and they're in the same color palette as your cardstock. They're double-sided, and Pink & Main's Winter Wonderland 6x6 paper pad here is a heavy duty, I would say a nice weight of cardstock, a colored or pattern paper rather. It's great if you like layering or matting. This cardstock's lovely for that. But you get diagonals, two-tones, ginghams, polka dots, stripes. You get some chevron prints, and then you get 2 of each pattern, which is fantastic. So nice fun pattern paper pack. Okay, next up we have lots in here. You get 4 envelopes. Pink & Main always includes 4 envelopes with their kits, which is great. You can use extra envelopes. I'm going to just scoot this over a little bit and make a little more room. There's lots in this little goodie bag. Next up, I get to share with you the die in this month's kit. This is an exclusive to the kit, and it is a sentiment die that says Warm Wishes. I'm going to take this off. I want to share with you the size of it. It will fit on a portrait style or a landscape here. A2 size card front, which is beautiful. So it is on larger side. It's such a pretty font. I wanted to share with you what it looked like die cut out with black cardstock. So I ran that through my die cut machine, and this is your sentiment. It will die cut out in 2 different pieces, but the nice thing is, guys, the dot for the eye is included. You won't lose it. It's stuck to one of the pieces, and I appreciate that. But it's so neat. You just line up that eye underneath the bottom portion of the eye, and you have your sentiment. So super fun. And this one is exclusive to the kit too, which is really nice. I'm just going to put this back, and we're going to continue along here. I'm going to move over my Warm Wishes so you can see that font again. Okay, you get a package of foam snowflakes. Now, I didn't count them, but I'm thinking you get like 36 or maybe even 40 of them. There's a lot packed in this little bag. You get silver and white, and they're glitter topped foam, and they're adhesive backed. So you just peel and stick to create some fun snowflakes on your projects. And you get lots again. So you get, and they're different styles too in that little package. So you get that. Then you also get some really neat gems. Oh my gosh, I love gems. And these are so pretty. I love neutral tone gems because you can use them for anything, and those are gorgeous. You also get some real pretty iridescent sequins that are in the same color family. It's a soft color family as your cardstock here. And there's different sizes in this little package. Okay, you get some baker's twine and some regular twine. You get 3 yards of each. Then you also get some glittery buttons. You get pinks and purples in different sizes. And then you also get a roll. This says duct tape, but it's not really duct tape. It's neater than that. I'm going to open it up and share with you what it looks like. It's a real pretty holographic, iridescent holographic tape, like a washi tape. Washi tape is more papery, but this is more like foily, I want to say. But it's perfect for card making projects. And you get a good size roll here. And it goes perfect with your sequins. So you get that. And then you also get your little flare badge. It's a little snowflake this month. And then you get your vinyl pouch. That again is great for storage. Great value for this kit, guys. And again, links will be down below. I am going to make some projects using this kit. I did it in a separate video. And so as I pack all my stuff back in my little Pink and Main pouch, I want to share with you that you can join the Crafty Courtyard Facebook group to share your creations. That's a great place to get inspired by others. I plan on sharing my projects over there if you guys want to check out the Pink and Main's Crafty Courtyard Facebook group. And then also share your projects online with hashtag Pink and Main's Monthly Kit, or you can share it on hashtag Crafty Courtyard. Lots of inspiration over there as well. This is how I cut my paper, guys. Basil always has that extra 1/2 inch. So I just cut that 1/2 inch off, put it in my paper trimmer, trim it off, and then I have a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet, but I keep those little 1/2 inch sheets. The reverse side has print on there, but the other side is just plain. But they're nice little scraps to have on hand. And then your paper will fit beautifully in your little package. I always like to put my little flare badges on my vinyl pouches. But this is the Crafty Courtyard kit from Pink and Main called Winter Wonderland. It's the December 2019 card kit of the month. I hope you enjoyed it, and keep a lookout for my projects, guys. I'll link it at the very end of the video, at the very top. There's 2 spots or 2 videos at the end. It'll be the top one. So if you want to check out that video, I'll make some projects using this kit. I'm looking forward to playing with it. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I wish you a lovely day, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.